Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 27th August 2024, Nifty index opened gap up and headed towards 25,043 levels in the first half of the session, which was followed by some consolidation for the rest part of the day. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow, indicating that quick absorption at any minor declines can be seen, and it closed with gains of around 200 points. India VIX was slightly up by 1.3% to 13.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.31. Volatility slightly rose after cooling off in the last 2 weeks, but is overall hovering at lower levels and supporting the bulls to buy at higher zones. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,600 to 25,500 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,800 to 25,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 483 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,870 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio increased to 55%. Market participants are optimistic that the US Fed may implement a larger rate cut than expected next month, following Powell's supportive comments on rate cuts and the Federal Reserve's confidence in achieving its 2% inflation target. Going ahead with the Indian markets, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 25,000 for an up move towards 25,150, then 25,250. While supports can be seen at 24,850, then 24,750. Talking about Bank Nifty, it has to continue to hold above 51,000 for an up move towards 51,350, then 51,500. While downside support can be seen at 50,800, then 50,650. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive starts were seen in most of the sectors across board, with major strength in IT, metal, banks and pharma stocks. Now, stocks to keep on radar from the metal space, we have Copper, Hindalco and SAIL. From the IT, we have Tech M and Persistent, which is consistently performing well. From the consumption space, we have Dabur, Indian Hotel, Titan, Tata Consumer and Godrej CP looking quite promising. Last but not the least, BFSI, we have Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Bank and M&M Finance now started to show strength. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.